Let's hide. Let's hide.
All right, have a good day. What's going on?
Hey, buddy.
Hey, man. Blocking traffic here. I can't hear you. What's going on?
What are you guys doing?
Freedom.
Huh?
Freedom.
We're out here filming in public.
It's fine. Just asking what you guys doing. I don't know what you...
No, we told you. And we told this lady she doesn't like it. Started calling us names. They called you.
What's your name and badge number, sir?
Officer Marioni, 3468.
Marioni 3468. So I don't know if you can, but I know they called dispatch. There was a lady in the truck, and then there was also this security officer lady.
Okay.
They were just kind of acting crazy. I don't know if they understood what we was doing, and so I don't know. Maybe you can have dispatch call the lady and educate her that what we're doing is a...
Absolutely. Is it okay if I get out and talk to you?
Yeah,
Like
that's
this?
cool. Man, you know what? I appreciate what he's just said. He said, "You mind if I get out and talk to you?" I can appreciate that shit, guys. He's got a canine too. Maybe we'll get to see if he'll let us pet his dog. So you're a senior officer, huh?
Yeah, senior officer, and I got a dog.
Yeah, that's what's
Nice.
up, man.
This is the best job there is.
That's what's up.
No, you guys are out in public. You can do whatever you want.
Yeah, that's what we were doing.
Okay.
And this woman
But they-
here,
but-
she's directing traffic.
Okay.
Got all irate. Said that we can't film here.
Right.
There's a school here, and we're saying,
Yeah.
she elevated it.
Sure.
And she's
Okay.
telling all these people in the cars
Right.
what we're doing is wrong.
Okay, I'm not here to cause you guys trouble, but they call us, we have to respond.
Oh,
Right.
no.
Yeah, so I was just,
Well,
I was
that's
just
the
seeing.
policy.
Yeah, I just wanted to see
Oh,
if
no.
you guys,
Yeah.
if you guys.
This guy.
Yeah.
You can tell him to go. Want to do that?
So I was just talking to them. They're filming in public. They're not breaking any laws.
Officer
and,
Smart, 323. Man, you need to wear a hat, brother. You get cancer on that head.
Hey, I've been doing it for years. I'm
Have
all right.
you? You're all right? Okay.
I'm okay.
I'm not a
Yeah,
doctor,
the
but I
reason we got a call is because somebody was suspicious because they said not just filming in public, you were actually filming inside vehicles. So they were wondering why
That's
you
weird.
were doing that, so that's why they called.
That was actually a lie,
Yeah.
That's a
but
lie.
but nevertheless,
That's a lie.
it's still legal.
It's still legal.
That was a lie, but nevertheless,
Yeah.
even if we were doing that, it's
Yeah,
still legal.
It can be legal.
I can be like a
It
really
is legal.
curious
It can be legal
person.
as long as you don't reach in any vehicles
Right,
or anything
right,
like
right,
that. You can
right.
do that. You're in
I
a
mean, I
public
can
place.
film your car.
You're in a place where you need to be, and where
You film our cars all the time.
But
Yeah.
still, if it's suspicious, they're gonna call us.
Well-
and we just want to check it out and just make sure.
You
everything is okay.
know one of the reasons why I record, man, is
I don't
because
know.
I personally, and check this out, I may be reaching far, but I want to get rid of that fear factor from sea to shining sea, because we have buildings planted on buildings. We have cameras posted on buildings and everything. Everywhere we go, McDonald's, the lights, everywhere we go. So what's the difference? A person with a camera in their hand, And in reality, like say for instance, without us, there is no you. So we pay tax dollars, and sometimes we want to find out who's overspending. So when we go to these places that we pay for, we ask, hey man, where's our tax dollars? And sometimes they say, wait a minute, they're causing a disturbance. And then they call you guys who are unsuspecting of what's really going on and say, wait a minute, bam, we're taking you into custody, you're causing a disturbance, and we don't get our questions answered. But now that we have stuff like this, we can say, wait a minute, you guys can't overstep your boundaries, these guys can't lie, and we can actually ask these questions and make sure that if you got an extra $5 in your pocket that needs to go back in ours, we need to get that back. You know what I mean? So that's it's pretty simple, it's pretty basic, and it brings transparency. I have retired officers that like my channel. I have officers that are still on duty that appreciate us, and we have ones that don't. They want to rough us up. I've gotten my arm twisted, we've gotten arrested, and
Hopefully,
yeah,
hopefully
man.
you didn't feel like we treated disrespectfully.
Everybody,
Oh, yeah.
all you guys in Santa Monica so far have
good.
been passes. You guys have
Yeah, I
been
appreciate
professional.
that.
Yeah, it's
Straight
really
up.
weird. Everybody's professional and courteous, and you guys don't allow any dispensaries, so you guys are real mellow. Yeah.
All right. Well, you guys have a good day.
Officer
all right?
Smart, what's your badge number, bro?
My badge number is 3238.
3238.
Yes.
Hope you don't mind
All
shaking
right.
my hand,
Of course
man.
All right, nice to meet you.
Marioni.
All right, nice meeting
Gentlemen.
Is that an Italian last name?
It sure is.
you. Nice
Italian,
meeting
huh?
you.
Marioni?
Yep.
Marioni?
Marioni,
What's the dog's name?
Orko.
Orko?
He's Slovakian now. So.
Slovakian?
Yeah.
Will he let us pet him?
You don't want that.
No?
He's actually a very social dog, but he tends to jump, and he's still
That
very.
sounds
Really?
like me. I'm social and like to jump.
We had an officer in Bakersfield, California. I don't know if you know where that's at. He just seen us recording around, and there was like kids behind us and everything.
Yeah.
He brought the dog out, let us all pet him and everything.
No, that's nice. Yeah.
Yeah, that's
That
cool.
officer is actually really cool, man.
Again, it's just this dog. I have a retired dog. He was very social, very easy.
So you got to take the retired dog home?
Yeah.
You paid $1 for it.
I did.
How do I know these things?
Because you did your research.
That's right, man. That gives me some credibility.
Oh no, yeah,
Kind of?
absolutely.
Thank you, man.
Yeah.
I knew what your stripes were.
Yeah.
Man, I'm new to this. I'm learning.
Okay.
I'm not as smart as I look, but I'm trying to be. So.
Okay, that's cool. Yeah, but just to let you guys know, somebody did call in,
Right.
like I said earlier, regarding activity that they deemed to be suspicious. And this may not be the last call we get on you guys.
Right.
And as long as we come here, we see that you're not doing anything illegal, no problem. But still, we have to check it out.
Well, because you guys are.
That's your policy.
Right, that's our
It's
policy.
not a law, it's a policy.
Right,
guys.
Santa Monica. Anybody that calls dispatch,
Right.
we have to
No,
respond.
it's with all police forces, that's
Right.
the police department's policy.
Right.
But you really, if you didn't have the policy, you wouldn't need to come out. That's why it would be important that when people get these kind of calls and say, well, what's this? Are they on a public sidewalk? Don't worry about it.
I think dispatches everywhere need to be really educated on photography in public.
It would help.
It would help because dispatch could educate the people in right away without sending you guys out here. They could dismiss the call and say,
Yeah,
wait a
sometimes
minute.
you can't do that
Are
over the
they?
phone.
Okay, so look, my wife's car
Right.
got broken into. Somebody threw a rock,
Okay.
and they had it on camera, and the company saw it, and they gave the video right away to my wife. They sent it to her phone. They said the guy's probably still in the area. We called the police. They didn't come out, but
What city?
this is in Bakersfield. And so what's funny is every time they see a person with a camera, 5 officers show up right away. And it's like, wait a minute. But I get it, man. I get it. And it's all an education process, and it's also an empowerment.
Right, and as long as, like I said, we deem that nothing's illegal, then hey, no problem. More power to you.
Right. So one of the things I spoke to your senior officer right here, Marioni, was that maybe when you guys go back, you can educate dispatch, and maybe if they call the lady back, or if anything can happen with that call, they can educate that lady as well. Because one more educated person is one more camera that needs to be up. But actually, we need cameras everywhere.
Yeah. Well, all this information gets relayed to dispatch. You guys recording, we have to record. We clear the call. It'll have that documented in there. So.
Oh, I didn't see your body cam. It's actually on the belt.
Yeah.
You have it on?
Mine's off.
Yours off. Do you have it
Mine's
on?
on, yes.
Yours on?
Body cam at the belt, man.
I'm
I would
body
think
cam
that's
famous
only good
already.
For midgets. How is it getting me up here?
It's funny because it has an adjustable lens.
Oh, okay. Oh, I see what you're doing there. That's what's up. That's
Oh,
awesome,
all
man.
right.
At that angle, it actually will catch your top half.
Okay. Right on.
Still not perfect because a lot of stuff gets blocked here.
Right.
You put up high, your hands get in the way, so it's just.
Right. So is that okay? So that's what is that? That's all you guys now. The department went from chest ones. Did they change?
No, so these can go to your chest too.
Oh, okay.
It's just.
It's your option how you want to wear it.
It's our option how we want to carry it. It's just the thing with the chest. We end up talking a lot with our hands.
Gotcha.
And everything gets blocked.
Gotcha.
This
Makes a lot
one,
of
at
sense.
least, it has a better. And then because I'm working the dog, that's for me. I
Right.
can get him working.
Understood. Understood. All right, fellas. Man.
All right,
Cool,
gentlemen.
man.
Yeah.
Hey,
You guys have a great
I
day,
hope
right?
I hope you move up to
Thank you.
sergeant quick. How much longer before you move up to sergeant,
Me?
man?
No, I got my dream
Have
job.
a good day.
That's right.
Yeah,
That's
have a
right.
good day.
I don't want to go anywhere.
The other guy said the same thing, dude.
Yeah, I got the best job there is.
Are you gonna buy him for $1 too when you're done?
Yeah. Oh yeah.
All right,
You're not
guys.
Living in an apartment, that's a lot of dogs.
No, I live in Santa Clarita.
Hey, thank you guys for being professional, man.
Take care, guys.
Thank you, guys.
Bye now.
Orca, Arco,
Like a gas station.
Arco. Bye, Arco. Later, buddy. See you, man. Damn. How about that, folks? Arco.
These guys were professional.
Damn, I want to give a shout out to just the new person that I've been talking to. He's kind of pointed out some of the things that I've been doing wrong, and I just appreciate it. I utilized it a little bit here today, and I'm sure Mark the carpetbagger would agree. Mark the carpetbagger.
Just like the security guard. I didn't get the answers I needed.
She was tripping, huh? She looked like Queen Latifah.
Queen Latifah, after Queen Latifah got buried and reincarnated, maybe.
I don't know.
I don't know if Venison's open to.
The public. So the officer left. He dipped.